Hi everyone. Today I'm going to do a landscape, one of my landscape paintings that I usually do with watercolor paints. I've never used gouache paint before. I have a set here and it's from Meeden. I'm going to try it out. I don't know if it's going to work for this technique. Yeah, so I guess I will find out how it works. Let me pick some colors. Okay, let's see here. This is gray. Prussian blue. And this is medium yellow. I'm gonna try those colors. I have a coupon code for 10% off in my description below my video for Meeden supplies. I have a lot of links there as well. If you want to go there and check things out and see what they have. It's actually back to school. I think there's a back to school special on this week or this month for supplies. Okay, so I'm using my Meeden palette knife. That's how I'm going to apply the gouache paint. Probably need more yellow. So that was the gray, and now this is the Prussian blue. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to dip my, I have this wide hake brush that I'm going to dip in water, and I'm not going to, it's going to be sopping with water. I'm not going to knock any off or wipe any off. It'll be just dripping with water. And then I'm going to go over the paint, touching some of the paint and not touching. I'm not going to be touching it all, just touching some of the paint on the top and on the bottom. So let's try this. Okay, let's just get it saturated. Okay. I don't think I got, whoops, I don't think I got any of the yellow at all. So, oh, it's pretty, yeah. I think it works pretty good for this technique. I'm just moving it around a little bit. Swipe that over there. This is also Meeden watercolor paper. Pretty wet. I'll see on that little line going through there. Can't do much about it, I guess. Oops. Okay. All right. Now I'm going to leave it. I'm going to let it dry. Okay, that's really, I like the brilliance of the colors. Okay, let's let that dry, and I will show you how it dried. Okay, the painting's dry now. I removed it from the pad. You just have to put something in here to score it all the way along, and then it comes off. That's also a Meeden, and this is also Meeden watercolor paper that I used. Okay, so there it is. I think it looks really good. I think the gouache paints are really vibrant. I'm gonna try another one again with the gouache paint. Okay, so don't forget to check out the Meeden website. I have a link to their site in my description below the video. I have a 10% off coupon code for your total order from Meeden. They have a lot of art supplies, paper, canvases, paints, brushes. They have furniture too. They have easels and storing boxes. Trying to think of everything. They have airbrushes. So check it out. Okay, have a great day. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.